Priyanka Kohli. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. I'm wearing pink top with black jeans. I'm a single mother to two daughters. They are 11 and 3 years old. I'm an associate with talent acquisition team in Publicis Sapient. Before my marriage, I was working and was doing quite well in my career. However, after my marriage, I was in an abusive relationship and there was a lot of domestic violence. I was not even allowed to work. This continued for several years, and after the birth of my second daughter, one day I found myself completely empty-handed and homeless. This is when I started looking for a job to survive with my two daughters. However, nobody was willing to hire a 35-year-old single mother with 10 years of career break. Recruiters would just bang the phone on my face. I lost all my confidence and I was hopeless. Hope came in a form of a friend who referred me in a career returnee program in Publicis Sapient. As I was anxious and didn't do well in the interview, my leader took a chance and gave me few months to prove myself. After so many rejections, I got this opportunity. I really worked hard and proved myself. Today my work is recognized and I'm really excited to come to work every day. This was not easy. I had to take care of my children along with my work. I'm also going through legal proceedings and I had to make ends meet financially. I was able to do this with the support I got from my colleagues and flexibility at work. Sometimes I was overwhelmed, distressed, and lost. When there was no one to talk, I contacted Mental Wellbeing Ambassador. I also took help from Employee Assistance Program. In time, I was able to cope up with my mental health challenges. Today, my daughters are proud of me. I feel stronger. I want to grow as high as I can in my career.